Why does your eye doctor wear glasses if he knows how to fix your eyes? This is the question that makes the medical industry very nervous. They sell you stronger lenses every single year to hide the truth. Your eyes are not broken, they are starving to death. Blindness is a business model worth billions of dollars to them. They wait until your vision fails, then they cut your eyes open. They replace your natural lens with plastic and charge you a fortune. But what if you could restore your vision naturally at home? What if the cure for failing eyes was hiding in the ocean? They call it genetic, but that is just a lazy excuse. Your eyes are capable of repairing themselves if you stop the attack. I am going to show you how to throw away your reading glasses. No surgery, no lasers, and no dangerous injections in your eyeball. This is the secret regarding vision that they do not want you to know. We are going to reverse the decay of your retina today. The medical world calls this macular degeneration, or simply getting old. They tell you that once your vision goes, it is gone forever. They are lying to keep you dependent on their expensive system. Your eyes are under attack from a process called oxidation. Think of oxidation like rust forming on an old car. Blue light from your phone and sunlight are rusting your eyes. This rust destroys the delicate cells in the back of your eye. When these cells die, you get blurry spots and cloudy vision. Glasses do not stop the rust, they just help you see through it. Wearing glasses actually makes your eye muscles weaker over time. It is like using a crutch for a leg that isn't broken. Your eyes get lazy and depend on the glass to focus. To reverse this, you must stop the rust and feed the retina. There is a specific nutrient that acts as a shield for your eyes. It is not a carrot, and it is not vitamin A. Carrots are good, but they are not strong enough to stop the damage. You need something much more powerful to penetrate the eye tissue. Nature has created an internal sunglass that protects your vision from the inside. This secret weapon is a red pigment called Astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is the king of all antioxidants found in nature. It is the substance that makes salmon and flamingos pink. It is 6,000 times stronger than vitamin C at fighting oxidation. When you take astaxanthin, it travels directly to your eyeballs. It crosses the blood-retina barrier, which most medicines cannot do. Once inside, it coats your retina in a protective red shield. This shield absorbs the dangerous blue light before it hits your cells. It stops the eye rust instantly and allows the tissue to heal. Studies show that astaxanthin improves blood flow to the eyes. It reduces eye strain, fatigue, and blurriness within just a few weeks. But doctors will never prescribe this natural miracle to you. They cannot patent a red algae that grows in the water. If everyone used astaxanthin, the laser surgery industry would collapse overnight. They want you to fear cataracts and glaucoma, so you pay them. But cataracts are just proteins in your eye that have been cooked by oxidation. Astaxanthin stops this cooking process and keeps the lens clear. It is the ultimate reverse button for aging eyes. But you cannot get enough of it by eating salmon alone. You would have to eat pounds of fish every day to get the therapeutic dose. You need a concentrated supplement derived from the microalgae itself. This is the source code for perfect vision that nature provided. But astaxanthin is only the first half of the reversal equation. You must combine it with another spice to unlock full regeneration. This spice is more expensive than gold, but you only need a tiny bit. It is called saffron, the yellow spice used in ancient cooking. Recent science has proven that saffron specifically regenerates eye nerves. It improves the sensitivity of the retina to light. People who took saffron in studies could read smaller letters on the chart. Imagine going to the DMV and passing your eye test without glasses. Imagine reading a menu in a dark restaurant without squinting. This is not magic, it is biology that your doctor ignores. The Reverse Doctrine for eyes is simple and powerful. You must take 12 milligrams of astaxanthin every single day. You must combine it with 20 milligrams of high-quality saffron extract. Together, these two tools create a bulletproof vest for your vision. They stop the degeneration and trigger the repair of old cells. You should also add lutein and zeaxanthin to this protocol. These are the helper nutrients that support the macular density. Think of them as the bricks, while astaxanthin is the fortress wall. Avoid cheap vegetable oils like canola and soybean oil immediately. These oils cause inflammation that destroys the tiny blood vessels in your eyes. If your blood vessels are inflamed, they cannot deliver oxygen to the retina. This is why diabetics go blind. Their blood vessels are destroyed. Clear the inflammation, build the shield, and watch your vision return. Do not accept the diagnosis that you are going blind. Do not let them schedule you for a surgery you do not need. Your body is designed to see clearly until the day you die. Tribal people living in nature have perfect vision at age 80. They do not wear glasses because they eat natural, nutrient-dense foods. We have lost our way, and our eyes are paying the price. But you can find your way back with these simple, natural tools. Start the protocol and test your vision every single week. You will notice the colors becoming brighter and sharper. You will notice that you do not need your glasses to see the phone. The headaches from eye strain will vanish completely. You are reversing the metabolic damage done by modern life. This is a threat to the conventional medical wisdom of decline. They say decline is inevitable. We say decline is a choice. Choose to protect your eyes with the power of nature. The solution is cheap, it is safe, and it works fast. Do not wait until the lights go out permanently. Take action now and save your sight before it is too late. This is the Reverse Doctrine, and we see everything clearly.